That's gotta send a picture. Now just show the black screen behind. Just put a new screen 60, but I have if there are any some other problem. Okay. Here's the Wi-Fi module for the IPAD2, which is this is the Wi-Fi antenna. We have to connect here to here, and that's okay. Let's clear with the connect with the antenna. I have to take it inside and get out of from there and get the Wi-Fi module here and put it back together. Okay. And we put also this Wi-Fi card, which is also connect with the logic board. There's another connector. We have to snap in. It's like okay, it's good. After that, we have to install the shield for the Wi-Fi and no Wi-Fi card. Okay, now it's good. And this is a speaker cable which is come here. And we have to re-put it back. The cable, the speaker cable replaced. And also we have dock connector here. that's the dock connector, and use the old adhesive. Yeah. Okay, now we have to align the Wi-Fi antenna here, in which is has 4 screws. One is the cable secure, Wi-Fi antenna back on. Okay, right. It's dock connector connected, and speaker connected, and the Wi-Fi antenna cable connected. Next, the headphone connector, and the main like front camera, and volume, and power, those connector. Like, it's all together just one connector, and we have to connect with that one. It's on the top. And once you put inside that connector, and there's a plastic lock, like, make sure it's pressed down from another side, like the top, and snap, then secure with the adhesive, like sticker. Make sure it's all the way in, and no dust getting there. Okay, right now, like, we put back the logic board all the way in, and we have to put a 1, 2, 3 screws which is hold down the logic board. First one, like, battery connector. Also, it's not a battery connector, just a battery. This screw press down the logic board, which is connect the battery pins. And here's another small like metal bracket, which is holding down the top part of the logic board to the housing. It's secured by 2 screws. These all screws are Phillips head screws. You can Phillips screw drive, small screw drive. Okay, it's good. Everything now, it's logic board backing, everything good. Next step is we're going to reinstall the LCD screen. Sorry, before that we have to install the digitizer, because once we install LCD, you can't connect the digitizer, because digitizer connector here, 2 connectors, and this is LCD connector. And first this is our new LCD new digitizer connector, like digitizer connector, which is these connections. Okay. We install here, right here. So already have these lines which is show this line which is show where you are, the plastic connectors you are. Once you're there, you snap down these plastic nozzle. Really gentle with these connectors. If you are using a metal tool to do that, it should be broke down, and you have to use all the time plastic tools. And plus, alright, and also there's a small metal bracket which is goes to here, which is we're going to install that one, which is holding down the digitizer connector. It's like a securing tab, like something. Both screws are same, like Phillips head screws. Okay, bracket is on. Another thing is like you have to bend this the digitizer connector is a certain way, otherwise once you try to put it inside the new screen, it's not getting inside like smoothly. And make sure it's bent correctly and put inside. Okay. Next step is we install the LCD screen, and sometimes we have dust in there. We're using this thing to blow up all the dust. Don't use any wipes or white papers or anything to work on this LCD. Then you make a smudge, like you make fingerprint. Don't touch it to your bare hands. Then you make fingerprints on the LCD. You can never get rid of those. And use air. Like air is the best way to get rid of these dust particles. Don't use any chemical, alcohol, no, nothing. And we put inside here, and then this is the connector, LCD connector, and this is the LCD cable which is underneath there, and we have to snap in. Align like parallelly with the connector, and put inside. Same thing, use these plastic tools and drag it and snap it. Now it's good. If you break this kind of connector, you can fix, but we can fix. We do micro soldering for this connector. If you have broken any kind of these connectors, we can fix for you. Just text me or Facebook message me. I can give the price and estimate it for you. And already, like, originally it should be, there should be a sticker, the adhesive, black adhesive, but it's gone because this, I think this is not first time repairing this one. That's why someone else take out that sticker here and here. The digitizer connector and the video connect, like the like LCD connector should be have a black adhesive, which is look like this one, but it's gone. Previous repairs, they take it out. But um, in case, it's good to have some kind of tape. Okay, I'll use some Captain tape, because if you leave it like that way, maybe it can make a short circuit. To prevent that, make a short circuit, I will put these tape, like terminal tape or Captain tape. Okay, now it's good to go. The LCD back in place, and okay, now LCD back in, and we're going to secure with the 4 Phillips head screws. With that, okay, we are going to test the iPad with the new screen before it's glue it onto the main body. Like there's no screw, we can put the new screen or digitizer to the iPad. iPad will come with those screws, and what we're going to do, just first test it before glue it down. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the Apple logo. Once it's tested, like the screen work, what we do, we take out those sticker and heat it up a little bit and put some extra glue if you want into the corners especially, and press it down like, yes, it's yeah, it's good. I don't know the passcode, but see, it's working. Like, screen is working, everything looks working. It's screen, yeah, LCD, like digitizer, everything works perfectly. Okay, that's it. You guys know what the rest of the thing. Just take out those sticker covers and then put it back. Okay, thank you for watching us. Bye bye. See you maybe another repair.